Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord key battery. First, you will need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. It's also helpful to have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any small parts. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The two pieces should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the battery compartment. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Gently press them together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the key fob's functions. Check if the lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons are working correctly. Your Honda Accord key fob should now be fully operational with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.